Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a DIY on pages, and this is going to be a household list of things that should get done during the month. So usually they have these for like weekly cleaning and stuff, but I'm gonna do one for the month because it's just easier for me to have with my monthly view so that I can just check off all the things that need to be done weekly and monthly all together in one page. So first, it actually didn't record when I was showing the dimensions of the page, but I did go to format. I went to file, page setup, and the size of the page is 4 by 6.6, and this is for a personal planner. This is going in my Kate Spade planner. Important thing also to remember is to change the heading size, and I put the heading size to 0 so the words are all the way at the top and there's no space. Because it is a personal size, it'll be much smaller and you just want more space to write. So here I am just writing on the actual paper, and I'm writing weekly, and I found this list on Pinterest that just shows what should be cleaned weekly, what should be cleaned monthly, every 3 to 6 months, and all that. But this is just a more basic view. Next, I'm going to add a table. And I just go to table and I just choose whichever one there, because you can change the colors. You don't need that gray there. That gray doesn't have to be there. And I'm doing a 6 by 6 table. So before I continue, I am going to show you the dimensions of the page, and it is, I go under document, and as you can see, I have the header as 0.1, the footer as 0, and the margins at 0.25, and the inside and outside as 0.25 and 0.5. And I put the pages as facing each other, and I just increased the inside so that it can scooch a little bit more over to the left and it can have more room for writing or checking. Now I'm going to start writing in the boxes, and it will be for every week of the month. These are the things that are supposed to be done weekly. There's 4 weeks in the month, so I'm going to put week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and the tasks on the left. Right now, I think I will use the Cantor font to write the tasks. And as you can see, I am referencing back to that Pinterest page that shows what should be done every week to see what is pertinent to my life. Obviously, everybody has different things, and I've put in there the most important things to remind me to do. So now I am doing the monthly part of it, and since this is going to be a monthly sheet that is going to be with my monthly setup, I am just going to write down the tasks and put a small checkbox to know that I did those in that month. And this will also help with future months to know what I did and what I didn't do. So this is a great way to keep track of all that. So I am doing another table here for the monthly reminders, and it's going to be a 2 by 5 table for at least 5 tasks that need to be done monthly. I find this really helpful, more helpful than the daily to-dos, because I feel like that's just going to overwhelm the planner, and I don't want to be overwhelmed with the cleaning schedule. So I just feel like this is just going to be a good reminder overall for the month. So I just double click on the cell and it automatically goes to a text option. I am using the Cantor text again, and I am writing down the monthly tasks that would need to be done and using the left side of the boxes as check boxes. As you can see, I just made the print at the top a little bit more bold, the ones that say weekly and monthly, and I believe I did also change the font on those and just made them a little darker so I could see them. I made them into the Cantor font. I also did outline the outside of the tables to make it darker because I wanted my printer to actually work, but my printer has been acting funny. So that is up to you. You go on the table outline section and just increase the size of the line and it'll look darker. The last thing I'm doing is just putting a little bit of color, a little bit of a decor on this household list so that it doesn't look so plain. And what I'm going to is I will click on the box and it will go straight to cell if you see at the top right, and then you can fill the box, and I'm just trying to find the right fill color for this page. In order for the page to look more cohesive, I am making the boxes that are filled in match the words so that it all looks the same, like it's part of the same page. So I'm just highlighting and then choosing the dropper and putting the dropper above the light lime green, light green on the left side columns. So this is the end product of the household monthly to-dos. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys can like, subscribe, and comment on this, and if you do like it, please like the video so I know that you like it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!